this video, we will learn about logical operators in Python. So, there are three logical operators: and, or, not. So first let's understand AND operator. Now I am writing a new variable a, in which I takes the input from the user. Then I am writing a condition here, writing by if statement, and the condition is if a is greater than 5 and a is less than 15. After that, I am writing a print statement, which contains a variable. Now I am writing another statement, that is else statement, which contains a print statement, that is enter between 5 to 15. Because the AND operator is only valid if both the conditions are true. When I run the code, it asks me for enter the number. Then I write 5 at the terminal, show me that and a number between 5 to 15. Same as for other numbers. When I add valid number, that is 8, it is printed on the terminal. Now let's understand second operator, that is, or operator. So I am changing the condition. That is if a is less than 5 or a is equal to 15, and all the code will be remain same. When I run the code, then if I add 55 here, then it will show me the enter valid number. And when I add 15 in the terminal, then it will print the 15 because one of the condition is satisfied. After that, I am using not operator, which is used to inverse the value. Means the value is not exactly same. So I am just writing condition. If not is equal to 10. Means if a is equal to 10, then print else value, but if a is not equal to them, then print a. So this is how not operator is work. Thank you.